In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your PowerPoint presentations using the comprehensive features found in the Draw tab. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch or professional polish to their presentations. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation file. This is your starting point, and it should be a presentation that you want to edit or enhance. Make sure you're well acquainted with the content of your slides, as this will help you decide what drawing tools you might want to use to better express your ideas. Once you have your file open, look for the Draw tab in the PowerPoint toolbar. It might be nestled among the other tabs such as Home, Insert, or Design. Now that you've located the Draw tab, click on it to open a multitude of drawing and annotation options. These tools provide you with the flexibility to convey your ideas more vividly. Let's take a closer look at what's available to you. Starting with the basics, you'll see an array of pen choices. These aren't your average ballpoint pens, though. You can select from standard pens, pencils, highlighters, and even different pen thicknesses and colors to match your theme or highlight special points. One of the standout features here is the eraser tool, which allows you to neatly remove any annotations or drawings you're not satisfied with. This gives you the freedom to experiment without the fear of making permanent marks. If you're dealing with numerous annotations, the Lasso Select tool will be your best friend. It lets you select multiple objects or annotations by drawing a free-form shape around them. Once selected, you can move or delete these elements collectively. There's more. The Ruler tool is excellent for creating straight lines and aligning your drawings. You can adjust its angle and position with ease. If you're adding shapes or diagrams to your presentation, the Ink to Shape feature will automatically convert your hand-drawn shapes into polished standard geometry as soon as you release your pen. Similarly, the Ink to Math tool is incredibly useful for those who work with numbers or mathematical expressions, transforming handwritten equations into neatly formatted text. With these tools at your fingertips, slide creation becomes far more dynamic and interactive, providing you with a digital canvas and the ability to emphasize points in ways that words alone can't achieve. Once you've explored and utilized the tools that best fit your presentation's needs, your work here is essentially done. Congratulations, you've just unlocked another layer of creativity in PowerPoint. The additions you've made will not only capture your audience's attention, but also aid in delivering your message more effectively. Thank you for following along, and happy presenting.